Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a croaking lizard. So the first thing I want you guys to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys will be notified when I upload a new video. Like, comment, share. Please don't forget to share, guys. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is create a swan fold. So that's the first thing we're gonna do now, create a swan fold. All right, now we're gonna make the tail. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do a twist with one of those feathery looking thing right there. You know what I mean. And I'm gonna tuck it. Yes, I'm gonna tuck it in the back, so it will be hidden and you'll just have the tail at the back. So it won't be two, it will be one. So it will be one body. Now we'll be creating the head. So this is how we're gonna form the head. We're gonna tuck the beak part underneath, and then you're gonna make the head of the lizard. You're gonna form the head of the lizard now. It's like molding. So that is what we're gonna do now. We're gonna mold the head. Yeah. We're gonna mold it. After we're through molding the head, we are gonna form the body. So that's what we're gonna do, form the body. But I'm gonna put this away right now. Yeah, I'm gonna put it away so that I can form the feet of the lizard. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make the feet. It's a pretty common fold, pretty easy to do. Now that we are done with the two sides, we're gonna make the feet. So we're gonna pull a piece of the towel from out the middle part, four corners, and then we're gonna pull it together. Watching the video will probably look a bit technical, but it's not really technical as how it seems, right?